What's going on, Jasmy Moon boys and girls? We're going to be doing an update on Jasmy, which is down 0.5% at 2.5 cents. Unfortunately, that minor 3 cents resistance area actually snuck up upon us and did its thing, man. It was resistance and we got snuffed out at it. So we're currently finding a slight correction to a support. I still think 5 cents is easily on the table here once we smash through that 3 cents area, which I will be going over in the TA. We're maintained above $1 billion market cap finally at a 1.2 billion. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Jasmy. We've talked about this pennant forever. Go look at all my other Jasmy videos recently, man. It was just boring, just moving sideways. We finally smashed out of this here until we ran to that 3 cents resistance area. And I was saying that 3 cents resistance area is very, very minor because it is. Look, we've only ever had resistance at it one other time. We've never tested 3 cents as support ever. We've only tested as resistance once. And long behold, it came back to bite us in the ass again. We actually just got stopped out at it again, right to the T. Look at that, right to the T again. So what we're going to be experiencing here, in my personal opinion, is just a slight correction, nothing to be worried about. Actually, it's pretty normal after breaking out of a pennant like this to back test the pennant as support before you start rallying higher. So there is that small chance that we might see 2 cents again. I know, but there's a small chance that we could be seeing 2 cents again. And then that could be the catapult we need to smash through that 3 cents area. Because right now it kind of looks like one top, two top. If you look at the day chart price volume right here, it kind of died off from our last video and doesn't really pick up until you hit that convergence area here at about 2 cents. So there is a small chance that we could be heading down to 2 cents to test that support and then to infinity and beyond. So the people who thought they missed Jasmy might be getting another chance. That they might be sending a dinghy back for the people who forgot to get in, and you might be able to get 2 cents Jasmy one more time until it goes to infinity and beyond. The only reason I think that is we broke out of that pennant. Normally you back test the pennant resistance as support, which we haven't done. And on top of that, the daily MACD is starting to lose its bullish momentum. The RSI is starting to dip down as well. And the WTX is starting to dip down as well. And I don't think they're going to crash. Like, I don't think it's going to crash. It's just do a normal test. We've been putting in higher highs and higher lows, just something like this. And it's perfectly normal, perfectly natural. I know everyone wants their coin just to absolutely rip, but in time, trust me, you guys consolidated for so long. What's a little bit more patience? Head back down to 2 cents and then rally up to that 5 cents area. I'm going to call it. I think that's the move right there. One more opportunity to get at 2 cents. If we actually do touch 2 cents, I might actually put a long in. I'll get a long ready at about 1.9 cent to 2 cent. See if I can catch a wick right there, then ride that bad boy to 5 cents. But man, this coin's probably going to do pretty good in the bull run. I'm going to say 35 cents plus. Now there are fibs up here at the 1236 at about $1.03, and then another one here at about $6. So there are fibs there. So technically speaking, it is possible. Are we going to go to $6? Probably not. Absolutely not. Dollar. Now that's a little bit of hoping right there. But if you've ever been part of a parabolic phase of the bull run before, crazy things have happened. I've seen crazier things happen than that. But realistically, I want to be looking for a top for Jasmy in this general area. There's a lot more coins in circulation now than there was back then, back here on November 2021. And just to point out, if we look at max and look at our market cap, we actually just put in a new all-time high market cap today. The highest the market cap has ever been, and look at the coin's only 2 cents. The last time the market cap was this high was in November 4th, 2021. And look at the price of November 4th, 2021. That's when we were at that $4 ish area. So that being said, it just shows you that we have way more market cap than we did when it was at $4, but we're only at 2 cents, which means there's a lot more coins in circulation. It's going to take a lot more buying power to re-reach those prices. That's why when people say $4, is it obtainable? I mean, your market cap's already higher now than it was back then, and you're only at 2 cents. So do with that information what you will. But that's why I think like 35 cents could definitely be a top right here, and then maybe for Hopium a little bit up to $1. But realistically, I would say 35 to 40 cents top for the bull run. With that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.